Hey guys, Captain Fatty here, and welcome to the training video for the I Am Newbie funnel. So in this video, I just want to do an overview of what's included in the giveaway, what's included in the actual I Am Newbie training, so you know what you're selling, and everything that's included on this page below. So the first thing you will notice is you have the option to promote this product on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. The choice is entirely up to you. It's just important that you include your Warrior Plus or your JVZoo affiliate link in the PDF and inside the follow-up emails as well. So we provided you guys with templates for Optimize, Press, Thrive Themes, and HTML templates. So the choice is yours. Generally, you only need to use one of these. Next, we have the rebrandable PDF. You can click on this link and actually preview the PDF, but it is obviously super important that you follow the training and you rebrand the PDF with your affiliate link and anything else you wish. The important parts of this PDF would be your footer link here. You can include your affiliate link here. At the end, we will have some text and a banner as well. Now, what I just want to keep note is that inside some of the PDFs or some of the training, if you have an opportunity to promote a hosting service, an autoresponder company, or a squeeze page builder, you can always include your affiliate link. So in this case, we're actually promoting Optimize Press. We're recommending it as one of the tools that can help newbies get started. So you can easily come along and add your affiliate link for that. And the same goes with your autoresponder company. So that is the PDF. We also have the Word document. If you prefer to rebrand it on Google or Word, the choice is yours. Next, we have we've email swipes, which are available in plain text, Google Docs, and Word doc. And we've also social media posts. The social media posts, one is generated to give away the free PDF, and another one is generated to actually promote the product itself. So let's just have a quick look at the email swipes, and we'll just explain what way they work. I prefer, personally, my choice would be to use Google. And here I can see everything. There's instructions for them, but you got the email swipe to advertise the free PDF. So once your squeeze page is created, you link to the squeeze page here when you're advertising the free PDF. When someone signs up, you instantly send this thank you email. You give them a link back to the download page, which you would have installed on your server. You would have linked the rebranded PDF there, and you would have added your affiliate link. And then you will have another follow-up email again going out, basically selling the product. So you just follow the training, add your affiliate link to these emails, and load them into your autoresponder. So next we have banners. So these banners, we've included banners with text that you can use straight away. And we've also included blank banners that you can add your images, add your own text, pretty much do what you want with them. Added logos, everything you need to actually create your own banners or simply use these. So that is just a quick overview of the I Am Newbies funnel. And any questions, of course, just please contact us and let us know.